Young maidens. So you barge into Igwe's palace without being announced? Huh, Igwe?
Oh no. Let them. Young maidens, what do I owe this visit for?
Igwe, I'm here to state the truth behind Ogum's death. Igwe, Ogum was killed out of hatred. Igwe, you and your elders killed Ogum without a second thought, Igwe. Ogum was killed out of jealousy, Igwe. Igwe! Ogum is innocent!
What? What is she talking? What are you talking?
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please.
Confess. Mazio Cheze, for the last time. Confess.
Yes, Papa. Sorry for what, Papa? Papa, stop! Stop, Papa! Papa, stop! So, you killed Ogum out of jealousy, Papa? Papa, why? Papa, why? Papa! Papa! Please let me! Please let me! Please! Papa! No, Papa!
Huh? Hey,
Aro.
This is abomination. So, Ocheze conspired with the chief priest to murder his own blood daughter.
That is what it means. That is what it means.
Stop crying.
I promise you that all this magic will return. Mama,
it.
Stop crying. Mama, I understand. It's okay, Mama. Stop doing this to yourself.
Mama, stop crying.
Igwe, you allow my only daughter, Olusedachi, to be sacrificed. Igwe, she is like your daughter. I mean, she is your daughter, Igwe. And you and the elders of this kingdom killed my only daughter. Igwe, for here. Igwe, for money here, Igwe. For money here, for Igwe. The God of this land, the God of this land, there will never know peace. I mean, there will never know peace.
It's me, Amusinati.
Happy. Oh, Sinachi.
Yes, my princess.
No, since you came into this kingdom, you have brought so much happiness and joy to my life. I don't know how to appreciate you. What can I do without you? You're such a nice person, okay?
Thank you, my princess. You are always welcome.
You're a great friend. What can I do without you? Thank you so much, okay? Maybe. Let's go. She's like a person. Sirachi.
My princess.
Yes.
There is this music I'll sing for you.
Oh, sing it. I want to hear it.
My princess.
Chinaza. Oh, welcome.
Thank you, my princess. My princess, you look good and happy. What's the secret?
You know my joy.
I have a message for you. Go and tell my mother that I, Ongum Sinachi, is still alive and I'm coming back very soon. Wait! Ongum Sinachi! Wait! Ongum Sinachi! dance for me.
Oh, you always know I don't know how to dance, eh? But I'll dance for you because you're back, eh? Sing. Dance more for you.
Yes, Mama.
When we reach home. So, I want us to go home now. No, come back. No, again. Not again. Come back.
Stop it!
You went to this day?
Yeah, so this is our good.
Sinachi. My princess. My princess. What's wrong with her? Is everything okay? Please, let's go.
Hey. If our mommy is here, she could have helped. But now,
Mama, why are you crying now? Mama, I went to the house and I saw Ebuka. He said that you are in the front, so I decided to come and shake you. Mama, I'm here. Hey, Mama. I saw Snatching. Hey, Mama. Yes.
My daughter.
Yes.
Where?
Mama, in my dream. Mama, I'm serious. I saw Snatchy in my dream. Mama, Snatchy is coming back. told me that she's coming back. Very soon, will come back to you. Mama.
Wait, my daughter is coming back to me?
Yes, Mama. Mama, stop crying. You will see Snatchy. Let me help you. Sit here and rest. Let me help you.
I've caught you just today. You've been insulting me in this village, right? Huh?
Hey.
You guys have been... What?
What do you mean by insult?
What do you mean by insult?
Yes.
What can you do? What can I do? Wait, I'll show you what I can do. I will show you what I can do. I will show you what I can do. I will show you what I can do.
Oh no, I am tired of these tribulations in our community. Since the sacrifice of Ongum Sinachi, peace has failed to return. What is the problem, I ask you? Talk to me, Ishe woman.
Oh no, why are you asking me? Am I the ghost? Oh no. Oh no. What is it? What is that? Huh?
I hope another evil has not happened.
Hello? The worst has happened. Hello? The chief priest is dead.
Hey!
Chief priest is dead. My father sent me to you to tell you, to inform you about it. I'm going.
Go. Is she a woman?
Oh no.
First, it was us chasing.
Yes.
Now, there's a more. Let's go. Things are getting out of hand. We must do something fast.
My princess, with all loyalty and respect, I'm your abode through the making of the gods. As your sister. Yes. Where you stay, I will stay. Where you die, I will die. Please, my princess, think about your father, the throne and the kingdom. Please, my princess,
put away all the worries and give your father a courageous, strong heart and a reason to live again. Yes, that is my princess.
Sister Snatchy, she has refused to.
Former, please, don't address me as Sister Snatchy. I prefer Snatchy.
Thanks.
Alright.
Snatchy, what else do we do now?
Nkechi, my name is Snatchy, not Snatchy.
It's okay. It's just a mistake.
Alright. Ifoma, Nkechi, Akunde, you all can go back to your duty post now. I'll take care of the princess.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
You know what? I like you so much.
You just brought joy to my life. You know what? I want to hear that story.
Okay,
Yes.
my princess.
Yes.
I'll tell you a story. Okay. There's this hunter.
Papa, I wanted to tell you what happened in the past yesterday. But before we could come back, both of you have gone to bed.
Before you could come back, we had gone to bed? Then what happened in the morning?
We're sorry, Papa.
What was the issue at the palace?
Papa, we visited the palace to see Princess Imachi as usual. On getting there, we met her with Snatchy, the strange girl she brought to the king. All of a sudden, Papa, as we were talking, she went into trance. Papa, she went into trance. And after some time, she regained herself. She looked at us and she ran into the hut.
Can you hear that? Can you imagine this?
Papa, I don't think that girl is a human being. I think she's a spirit.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Papa, she's right.
Don't talk about what you don't know.
I'll see what you saw in palace yesterday.
Hey! Oh! Nuna manu esecha okwu.
I'm not sure I'll visit the palace again, Papa.
Ake no kwa edozie. Nuna manu esecha okwu ake no kwa edozie.
Your Highness, the gods demand that you accept strangers from that kingdom. Because of the strange and unwelcome behavior of Sinachi. The gods demand that a search be made to the evil forest of Anisibom, the boundary between Ini Edo and Umobodo kingdom, to get the seal of life, to subdue the angry spirits of Sinachi. 7 pure virgins from our kingdom will embark on that journey, while the other 8 will come from Umobodo kingdom. Only 5 will come back alive. The others will serve as sacrifice to the gods of both kingdoms. Inasiwanyi ya kuchenga ya. Imaibo siye kubuli.
Oh no, you're not begging.
Nuna manu esecha okwu ake no kwa dozie ha. Nuna manu esecha okwu ake no kwa dozie ha.
Ka ogbuchie okwu ya, ịmala ebe o si kume.
Nke a da.
The people of the kingdom, listen, oh. You know who said that the maidens and the elders should gather at the village square? Oya no ya koribio. The people of Umobodo, listen, oh. You know who have summoned the maidens and the elders in the village council? Oya no ya koribio.
What? How?
Oh no.
It's your woman.
I got him.
Oh
no.
It's your woman.
I went to your house but did not see you. Where are you coming from?
It's not long I left my house. Yes. I hope all is well.
Oh no. You know Igwe is dead.
Yes.
And the calamities in our land continuous as you don't know of our land. What do we do?
It's your woman.
I'm highly worried.
It's your woman.
I'm hearing you.
I'm equally troubled too, like you.
I'm hearing you.
If I tell you that I'm happy with these troubles in our community, then I'm a liar. But there's something Igwe said before he died. Yes. He talked about Otiwanti. One great Dibia. At Mpimei. I think it's time we go for him. He might help us. He may have solution to our troubles.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. We have to go and meet him.
Igwe said the Otiwanti lived in the forest. So it is not a one-man's journey.
Oh no, we'll go to the forest. I don't know, we'll go to the forest.
Oh woman.
I'm hearing you.
Go right now and prepare. We are going to go together.
Okay. If we'll be able to save us from these calamities, who am I? If you are ready, let me know.
That is only what we want.
Okay.
Go to your house, get prepared. Let me go to my house and get ready. So we'll meet together and go to Bemeni.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
See you, please, don't be late, you.
No problem.
Mama, Papa, is there something we wish to discuss with you?
Yes, Papa. This late hour?
Yes, Papa.
I cannot wait till tomorrow.
But it's urgent, please.
What is it?
Papa, we wish to join other maidens for the search of the seal of life.
Did you hear that? Hey! You know what is involved? Conquering evil spirits on the way, evil forces in the forest. Are you aware of that?
And you still want to go?
Papa, please allow us to go. Other maidens are taking.
Because other maidens are going, you want to go and take a risk. Do you know how fortified they are?
Papa, we promise to return alive. Nothing will happen to us. Please. It's for our kingdom, Papa. Please don't say no.
Just look at the way you're saying it. As if it's that easy.
See, if we support them, I don't think I will give support.
I'm not part of this.
Papa.
I don't understand.
I'm not part of it.
It's not something we can discuss here, but I'm telling you because I don't want Papa to hear about it.
What will you tell me that your father will not hear?
I want to join the search party.
Search party?
Yes, Mama.
For what? Do you know that you are my only child? The only child in that family. Child, you are not going anywhere. Mama, if you want me to kneel down to beg you, I'm ready to kneel down to beg you. I will not allow you to go, please.
Mama, I will go. Nothing will happen to me.
Why are you going?
I'm going there because of Ongum Sinachi.
Ongum Sinachi?
She's a good girl.
Ongum Sinachi?
Yes,
is she your sister? A stranger for that matter, because of her, you want to go and die?
Mama, I will not die.
No.
I will not die.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, you're not going anywhere. To me, okay? Stop crying.
Before I allow you to go, I will go and tell your father. He will go and inquire from the princess whether anything will happen to you. If not, Mama, if not.
Believe me, nothing will happen to me.
Hey, girls. I don't even know what this our kingdom is doing. Imagine them accusing the innocent. And she just died for a crime she did not even commit, just like that.
What a wicked generation. Our soul will never find rest till she avenge her death.
Look at how our elders are dying one after the other. Oh. Even the living ones, they are like a walking corpse.
I even heard the king left his own throne.
Whoa.
Girls, I saw Sinachi.
You must be dreaming, or you are just imagining things from that head of yours.
Tell you. I said I saw Sinachi and you just are talking
Habegi!
Okay. Very soon, Sinachi will return to this land.
In your dreams.
Tell her.
And what if she returns?
Never. It will never happen.
Then how?
My dear, that will be in your dreams.
Then I have to leave.
Leave! You whatever, you can go.
Imagine, like we even want her to be here. I don't even understand.
I beg, let's go.
Oh, let's go, Joe.
Mama, Imadi Femen. We went to the palace to see the princess. Mama, to our greatest surprise, we met Sinachi singing for the princess. And she was laughing and dancing to the tune of the music.
I say,
Mama, I told you and Papa, I told you and Father that girl is a spirit. But you both of you are doubting me. Get her now. Oh, mena.
You said it. Hey! You mean the princess was there dancing? Doesn't mean that she has some powers.
If Sinachi has made the princess to be whole again.
Hey!
What's given a meow?
No, we're doubting you that day. That thing is true.
She's now very okay and sound.
Really?
I'm happy.
Hey!
Mama.
I'm happy for her.
Me too.
That girl has some powers. That's
hey,
good. Hey! You know, Kwam.
Is a particular punctiliar moment in our lives. One moment we are alive, and the next we are dead. Dawn today, you will set off to the evil forest of Anisibo, as directed by the gods. You will journey through the night to get to the Njaba River before anyone does in the morning. You will see strange things, strange signs, strange beings. Do not be afraid, for the gods are with you. You will neither eat nor drink anything in order not to defile yourselves.
Say! Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu! Anyazu le yabiko! Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu! Anyazu le yabiko! Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu! Anyazu le yabiko!
Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. 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 Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. Anyazu, anyazu, anyazu. Anyazu le abriko. The silk material is soft, tender, quite easy to touch. But then a man who thinks he's wise tried to touch the silk material. He actually tried to tear the silk material. He couldn't. And then he said to himself, I thought they said the silk material is soft. I thought they said it's tender. Why can't I tear the silk material? Oh, of course the silk material is not soft. No, it is not tender. But I tell you, the silk material is 100% soft. But because he is a stupid man, he couldn't tear the silk material. You will go on this journey. There shall be no fights, no quarrels, no backbiting. May the gods be with you. No matter the love you show to the snake, it will still bite you. Because hatred and enmity flows in its blood.
have now been fortified. You will go into the evil forest of Anisibo. Do not look back on your way to the Njaba forest. Go! For the gods are with you. Uderekaraka. Namapozwafo.
Where are your maidens? How could you come to my house at this time of the night?
Mama, I had to come. Why are you so worried?
You know why I'm worried? My two daughters are not yet back. I'm on a
I know. But what I'm assuring you is that they must surely come back. I know for sure. You don't need to worry yourself over nothing, please.
How sure are you? How sure are you?
I know about that. I know Olucha, I know Chinaza. They are very strong. They will make it. I know of that. Biko. Good. Mama, please.
Let me believe you. Until I see them.
Biko.
Until I see or are they on their way back?
Biko. Mama, Biko.
I don't go me feel.
Okay, Biko. Don't worry. Okay, they will be back.
have to leave here now. It's very dangerous. Let's go.
Obiora, my friend, I hope your sister is going to come back alive.
I hope so. I hope so, my friend.
Are you sure Ezomo really heard from the ghost?
I can't tell.
This is serious.
It's left for the gods to answer. I will leave you people here. I have something important to do at home. While I await my sister's return.
Just okay?
Mama gi na bogi. Hey, Angomo, Elchibo, Arere Bobo.
Oh, Lucy, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I need food.
Chika, please calm down, okay? I understand how you feel.
You don't understand anything. You don't understand anything. How can we get survive in this thick forest without food and water?
Chika!
Ikenna!
Who's Ikenna?
It's my love!
Which love?
It's my love!
Which love?
I'm here to talk to
It's
you.
my love! Leave me alone! Chika! Remember what the princess said? All in this forest are fed! It's a spirit! Yes. It's my love! My love!
Ikenna, my love.
Come.
Chika! Chika! Ikenna, my love!
She was the one that pushed me. Why did you push her?
She was too slow, that's why I pushed her. It's like both of you have forgotten what the princess said.
She was the one that pushed me.
Shut up! No fighting. Let this be the last one. Yours. Let's get out. We don't have to fight each other. We are in this together. Okay? Try and push me. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not even going with you.
Igwe seal of life.
Indeed, the God power.
Grace.
God power.
Wait. Since we have seen the seal of life, I, the daughter of Ishe Odeka, will go and get it. No, Ugomma. Leave it. Don't bother. I will get it. And we shall go home in peace.
Daughters of Akumobodo and the Nigerian. Why are you here?
The great Anasibo, we are here in peace.
What do you want?
We are here to collect the sacred seal of life for our kingdoms.
You are not afraid. You are not afraid to wander into the forest of Anasibo. Sacrifice. You must offer sacrifice.
Sacrifice?
Yes.
No! No! We have sacrificed many of our maidens. No!
What can you offer?
I have this! Nsu, the native white shark.
What else do you have?
I have this! An egg for the sacrifice.
Your kingdom committed atrocity. But for your sake, I will give you the sacred seal of life. Proceed to collect it. Wait! Break it at the foot of my symbol. One more thing. Do not look back as you go home. You can go.
is a powerful force in the human life. Most of us fear death and will do anything to push it off to some unknown day in the future. Your Highness, I present to you the 5 maidens who returned from the evil forest of Anisibom. With them, they came with the seal of life. I present the seal of life to you. Hand it over to the king. Greater news I bring to you, my king. Years ago, you had an affair with a maiden, a very beautiful maiden of Umobodo Kingdom. The outcome of that affair is a child, a son to be precise. Your Highness, I present to you your son, Onochie.
Oh, my brother! Oh, you're welcome.
Anaghị eji ife eji wee ficha ntị, wee ficha anya.
Just come.
Nuna mano esecha okwu ake na okwadozie ha. You are welcome indeed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My son. Hey! Nuna mano esecha okwu ake na okwadozie ha. Nuna mano esecha okwu ake na okwadozie ha.
Glorious news. Yes. The gods are what they complain. All the time. All the time you can say that you know it.
Anedo kwenu!
Yeah!
Mwanu!
Yeah!
Zwanu!
Yeah!
Kwezwanu!
Today is a glorious and joyful day for me, the king of Anedo. Today I can happily die and join my ancestors, knowing that someone will take over this throne. You're welcome, Prince of Anedo. Please welcome.
Nuna mano esecha okwu.
Welcome.
Ake na okwadozie ha. Nuna mano esecha okwu ake na okwadozie ha.
Worry never stops the problem, but the problem ceases when you refuse to worry.
They say the best way to trigger hatred is to show love. The one who shows love is the greatest. Your Highness, I present to you the new priestess of Umobodo Kingdom, Awum Sinachi. You will present to her the seal of life as her new symbol of authority, and you will give her your blessings as she lives for Umobodo Kingdom. Go to the king.
I hereby hand over the seal of life to you. May the gods protect and guide you as you arrive your destination, Umobodo.
My daughter. Glory be to God.
Mother, I miss you so much.
I miss you too much, my daughter. So you are still alive?
Yes, Mother. Yes, Mother.
I'm the happiest woman in Umobodo. To have you in my palms again. Glory be to God.
Nuna mano esecha okwu akinokwa edozie ha. Nuna mano esecha okwu akinokwa dozie ha.